Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use JS in Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, JS or JavaScript is used mostly for web development, and it is used for front-end development mainly to install certain or to code certain functionalities on each website page, which are front-end, so they're not in relation to the backend or the databases or any data in the background of the site. All those operations happen on the site page you're currently on, and you can very easily use that to modify your site on Odoo as well. So what you're gonna do to actually be able to use that and to code other things in JavaScript, you're going to need the website module, which you can see on my screen right here, and I'm going to open it up and show you guys exactly where you can enter your custom JS code. Now, once you go into your website, it'll open up your home page first, and it really doesn't matter which page you're on, just make sure you're on the page that you want to edit through JavaScript. And once you're there, just go over into the site in the top left, and you can open up the HTML/CSS editor. It might give you this alert here, since the changes might be lost doing for future upgrades. Just click edit HTML anyway, and here in the top left where it says XML or HTML, just click on it and just select JS. Now in my case this is empty, but you can use custom JavaScript here if you want. Just code whatever you want, and you can also go to this here file root, where you might be able to find other JavaScript files which you might be able to edit, and that is pretty much it. Just click save when you're done, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.